Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you a really simple method to zoom in and zoom out in LibreOffice Impress. So first I recommend you to go to View tab, and after that we need to open User Interface. Now we need to open here Toolbars, and here we need to scroll down and select last option. It is Zoom, so I check it and I click Close button. You should see here this one toolbar. So now if you want to zoom in, you need to click on this one option, maybe one more time. But if you would like to zoom out, you need to click on this one option. Of course, alternatively you can try to use shortcut from your keyboard, Ctrl-Shift page up to zoom in and Ctrl-Shift page down to zoom out. Alternatively you can use this one option, so if you will click on it, our slide will be zoomed in about 100%. So in this way you can control zoom in and zoom out in LibreOffice Impress. But there is another option that I recommend you to check. You can click on this one option and then you can click on the area where you want to zoom in. So for example, I will click somewhere here and this area will be successfully zoomed in. If you will press and hold Ctrl button and then you will click left mouse button here, the area will be successfully zoomed out. So it is how it works. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.